Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. If you are watching for the first time, please hit the subscribe button to watch latest videos of fashions and trends. Also tap the bell button for future notifications so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Appreciated for subscribing. In this video, I'll show you how to make this Queen Anne sweetheart neckline. This type of necklines is very much trending now and is a special requested video for this Eid occasion. Queen Anne necklines is very much incredibly popular in the Western countries. But now this style has been spreaded all over the world and is also one among the Indo-Western part. The classy and the sophisticated Queen Anne sweetheart neckline is the great option to define your stylish statement. So let's quickly start with this project. I have trimmed the patterns of front and back panels according to the body measurements, leaving the neckline. So firstly, I'll show the draft on this interfacing. Give the margin line. Interfacing is on fold. Start marking the measurements on the fold, marking the neck width 3 inches with the neck deep of 7 inches. Also mark down 3 inches from the top margin line. This is for the collar to settle on the neck bone. Now I'll mark the zero neck. Do not connect till the fold. Just leave 1.5 inches away from the fold and give the markings. And from that point, I'll be drawing this slanting line. And from the bottom point to that end, I'll connect with the curved line. And the shape of the neckline would look like this. Giving 1 inch width all around this marked design. If you think it's wider, you can also decrease at the joining. And as I got the perfect shape, so giving 1 inch width all around this neckline. And I'll also trim on these marked lines. The shape of the neckline would look like this. Now I'll lay this glue side on the fabric and get pressed well. I've also concealed the raw edge of another side, leaving the center, given the center fold for the easy alignment with the bodies. I'll lay this neckline on the right side of the bodice and join on the fold, giving the stitch line. Now just adjacent to this interfacing, start sewing, joining the neckline with the bodice. Trim off all the extras, leaving a little space near the sewn line. Now I'll give the slits without crossing the thread line. Turn to the wrong side of the bodice and press it gently. Now you can see this neckline. I'll give the fold on the front panel and I'll lay on the back just to give the markings of the shoulder line. Whatever the neck width is on the front, that has to be given on the back. and the back neck tip would be of 1 inch. Also give 1 centimeter seaming allowance, marking the curved line like this. Cut on these marked lines. Now I'll align the shoulders of front and back, placing it right on right. Start joining. Now you can see here I have joined the shoulders. Now we have to measure the neck length. Starting from this curve, measure it all around the neckline towards the center back, again to the center front, to the same point of another side. I got here the neck length of exactly 14 inches. This is not enough for the neck length, so take the patch we have trimmed and mark the curved line like this. Also measure this length. This is of 3.75 inches and previously I got 14 inches. For this Queen Anne neckline, I'll draft total neck length is of 17.75 inches. Now this canvas is on fold. Given the margin line, mark half of the neck length, which is of 8.9 inches and 3 inches from the fold. From the end point, mark 3/4 inch upwards. Connect the 2 points with the curved line slantingly. Again measure the length from the center fold. It should be half of the neck length, which is of 8.9 inches. The length of the collar here I'm marking of 1 inch. Connect all the dotted lines. At the open ends of the collar, give the curved markings. Now I'll cut on this marked shape. Using this contrasted color fabric, I lay the glue side of the interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric and pressed it well. Also took one more piece of the same length. The collar down part should be folded for the easy aligning on both the strips of the collar. And I'll also join the loop at one end of the collar and another side with the button. Place two right sides together. Start joining. Also insert this loop like this. Start sewing towards wrong side, exactly adjacent to this interfacing. Ensure all the raw edges facing each other. Give the slits. Trim off the extras. Turn to another side. and give the gentle press on this right side so that underneath seaming elements will be settled. Now this is how it looks. Now I'll give the center fold exactly. Just grease in the center and give the mark. This center fold should match with the center back. You can see here the center back fold. Now I'm aligning this with the collar marked line. Place the body's neckline in the center of this collar piece, inserting in the center. The fold of the bodice and the marked line on the collar should match. This is from the center back we are joining. Holding all three together, give the stitch line. Now you can see here I have reached one side of the center front. Continue sewing and give the top stitch on the top side of the collar. Now again start from the center back, aligning the bodies, inserting in the center of the collar. Continue sewing till it reaches to another side of the collar end. And I'm almost done with this collar, just to join the button to another side of the collar. And this is how the pretty Queen Anne sweetheart neckline with mandarin collar. Wanna look stylish? Try this type of neck. Sure, you'll receive an appreciation for your stunning gorgeous appeal. Try for Western, Indian or for the Indo-Western garments. And this is towards the back side of the collar part. The clean and neat finishings. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please try it for yourself and your loved ones. They'd love to wear it. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. For the latest updates, do follow me in my social media, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. This is Radha signing off. Meet you friends with another interesting video. Stay tuned. Love you all. Take care. Bye for now.